The best example I can think of, she said, is to imagine there's a huge warehouse, which is dark, and you live in this warehouse with one flashlight. Everything you know about this warehouse is seen through the light of this one small flashlight. Whenever you want to look for something, you may or may not find it, but it does not mean that things do not exist. It is there, but you just haven't flashed your lights on. If you can only see what your light is focused on, then one day someone flicks on a light switch, and for the first time, you can see the whole warehouse. The vastness of it is what you can now see. It's almost overwhelming. You can't see all the way to the end, but you know there is more than what you can see. But you do see how all the products are lined up in all the shelves, and you notice just how many different things there are in the warehouse, which you never noticed, never even conceived of having existed. Yet they do, simultaneously, with the things you know. Those are the things your flashlight has been able to find. Then, even when the light switch goes back off, nothing can take away the understanding and clarity of your experience. Even though you are back to one flashlight, you now know how to look for things. You know what is possible. And you even know what to look for. You start viewing things differently. And it is from this new springboard that your experiences in life start to happen. And so I find that in my daily life, I'm referring to different aspects of my experience at different times. And I'm understanding things in a different way and knowing things I did not know. And what happened for Anita when she went into this near-death experience, this miraculous thing that occurred for her that no doctor can comprehend or even figure out. I'm going to share more with you because it's just so astonishing, and she is such a light in my life. Just talking to her and being honored to present to her, or present to the world rather, what it is that she learned. She says this: I saw all people as energy, and depending where our energy level was, that was the world we created for ourselves. The understanding I gained from this was that if cancer was not in our energy, then it was not in our reality. If feeling good about ourselves was in our energy, then our reality would be positive. If cancer was in our energy, then even if we eradicated it with modern medicines, it would still come back. But if we cleared it from our energy, the physical body would soon follow. None of us are as real or physical as we think we are. From what I saw, it looked like we are energy first, and physical is only a result of expressing our energy. And we can change our physical reality if we change our energy. Some people have mentioned I use the term vibration. For me, personally, I was made to feel that in order to keep my energy vibration level up, I only had to live in the moment. Enjoy every moment of life and use each moment to elevate the next moment, which then elevates my future. It is that moment of elevating your energy level that you can change your future, like I did with my test results. It sounds very simplistic, but it felt very deep when I was experiencing and understanding it. That idea that we can change our future, that just so jumps out at me. Now, this is a woman who died. All of her vital organs shut down. She reported afterwards what the doctors were saying in rooms down the corridor to her husband. Okay, so she was seeing that, and from this place where this miraculous thing took place, because this is a journey about miracles. This is what this whole trip is about. It's about experiencing the miraculous. That what she discovered is what I was telling you about yesterday or the day before, is that these bodies that we're in are always changing. So therefore, they're not real. The one that you were in when you were 10 isn't real. The one that you were in when you came into this room won't be the same as the one you leave. It's not real. That all of this, as hard as this is for us to accept, is illusion. Now, I know that it's real in the sense that you believe in your senses. And your senses tell you, look, I can see it, I can touch it, I can smell it, it's real. But that's because you, me, all of us, have become so conditioned by the validation of something through our senses that we think that what we experience in our imagination is really the illusion. But it's not. Because as William Blake said, everything that now exists was once imagined. Which means that anything that you would like to have exist, you must be able to imagine. Your imagination, again from William Blake, to see the world in a grain of sand, and a heaven in a wildflower, to hold eternity in the palm of your hand, and infinity in an hour. We're all led to believe a lie when we see with, not through the eye, which was born in a night to perish in a night, while the soul slept in beams of light. The imagination